Show you today how to make a link in bio form in your Flodesk account. So rather than using a free link in bio like Linktree or something like that, if you have a Flodesk account, then you have access to this, and it's really worthwhile setting up to promote your lead magnet or your freebie in your bio. So I'm just going to quickly show you my form that I set up the other day, and then I will walk you through how to customize your own. So as with all forms, first you have to set up your segment to attach to the form within your audience. So I'll show that as a step to setting up the form as well. But I'm just going to quickly walk you through my new form and why I've decided to use it. So basically, this is what people will land on their mobile phone. And what it's allowing us to do is showcase our lead magnet straight up and have the form in the link in bio rather than a link they have to click through to then go to a form to download the free resource. So basically, this is just taking the decision, I guess, away from the audience as to what they want to do with your link in bio. They can see all this other stuff that you have to offer as well. But the first call to action is download my free guide. So if you're building your email list and that's a priority for you this year, then I highly suggest that you get onto doing this link in bio ASAP. It just takes away that extra step. Like the form's directly there. Just give me your first name, your email. I will deliver that freebie to you straight away. Then you can scroll down and you can look at all the other things I have to offer, but the form is there on the screen. So good. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So as I said, with all forms in Flodesk, first we have to go to audience, we have to go to segments, and then we have to create a new segment. So I'm going to just do link in bio as a segment, choose a color and save. Then I'm going to go to forms. I'm going to go to new form, and in the menu down here, I'll click link in bio, and I'm going to scroll and choose a template that I like. There's lots of really nice ones, but I'm going to customize this one. It'll ask me to choose the segment I just created, attach that to the form, and then I can customize it. I'm going to take away my logo. Take away my logo. And you see here that this is a subscription section. So what I would do as a must in any form is add a first name field and make it required. I always then put the first name first, and then the email, and then the subscribe button. So if this is your freebie, like I just showed you mine, launch your list, then you can put an image there if you want to. You can change all of this stuff. And then down here, we have our other links. So if you look at your link in bio now, you probably have website, you probably have, so here's another freebie. You might have a direct booking link. You might have a blog link or something like that. There's a little about section down here that you can have as your, like, almost your bio. You can have your address. So all of this is customizable, but the whole point of this link in bio is to showcase your lead magnet and make it as easy as possible for people to sign up for it. So that's this form here. So you customize all of this. When you have customized everything, and just like with anything in Flodesk, it's super intuitive, and you just click on the thing that you want to change, and then you can put your links directly in there. You can delete those things. You can add another link if you want to put like a booking link or whatever, then you can just come over here and click on that and edit the text. Book now. And then it'll take you back here. You put the booking link in there. So then when there's two things now, when you want to complete the form and decide what happens after that, so you can, if they're downloading a Google Doc or like something like that that's online that they can get immediate access to, you can turn on this URL link and you can put the Google Doc link straight in there and it'll open the document straight up for them and they can make a copy and use it immediately. They don't have to wait for it to land in their inbox, etc. Or if that's not suitable, you can choose one of these success messages. You can type a custom success message. So you can type your own text here. That spell. Then the other thing, so if your success message is thanks, keep an eye on your inbox, then you're going to need to go now and create a workflow to deliver whatever it is you need to deliver to their inbox. If it's the URL, that's all you need to do. I would still suggest creating a workflow and delivering some kind of email confirmation to them, even if you're not delivering the actual checklist or Google Doc or whatever in the email. I would still have a confirmation email because otherwise people get a bit like, oh, did that work? Did I sign up? The last piece of this link in bio is, if we go back to design here, that you want to then share it. So this is your link that you copy and you place into your Instagram bio link. So that's what you want to put in there. I would actually just check the mobile view. But yeah, once you go to share, you want to copy your link and put it into your Instagram link, and then just test that when you open up your link, this is what people see. And that's your new link in bio. It just means, again, I can't emphasize enough how fantastic it is to have a form in your link in bio to download your freebie directly. Like, the conversion success of that is just going to be so much better. So let me know how you go. Check my other videos for how to create a simple workflow to deliver emails. Leave me a comment, question, and I'll see you soon.